You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this must know Italian swear word. If you want to learn more vocabulary, food names and places in Italy, stay tuned. There are more videos for you. You'll definitely want to check out and learn from cazzo. That's your Italian pronunciation here. You have double Z, meaning that you have to stress on that syllable, the ts sound, and it's not a Z. It's not cazzo or cazzo. Cazzo. Che cazzo is how to say it, how the Italians would say it. Cazzo. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.